Hello everyone who wants this meal, rice with fried chicken. Please come to the kitchen with me and show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you. Do you like to bite your teeth into this chicken? Let's cook it first. In the hot oil, I sprinkle a little cornstarch so that when I drop the chicken in, it's not flashing. So I use my tweezer to flip back and forth, and I lower a heat a little bit, like a low then medium high. Then you cook about 25 minutes and let do the taste test. When you both through like this and the juice run clear, that means the chicken is cooked. During the cooking time, you can scoop the hot oil and pour over the skin so that you can get the crispy skin. But you can skip that task. The chicken fry both sides golden brown enough. Now let's set up the rice. I have cooked rice here, and I cooked this green onion in hot oil and remove immediately. This in our country they call scallion oil. And I also have calabaza soup and fish sauce dips. You can refer to my other videos for cooking soup and fish sauce dip. This is very exciting. I have lettuce I just harvested from the garden. Fresh. Oh my God, it's so fresh. Let's taste this. Oh, very flavorful soup. And I can wait to show you how to cut the chicken now. The skin is crispy, that's what I like. If you don't want chicken skin, you miss something. Try to wash the chicken like I do. Refer to other video to see how I clean the chicken or the meat. It will become so clean that you don't hesitate to eat skin. We are Asian people, we value skin. We like chicken skin, pork skins. Wow, the meat is so flavorful and moist. Please have a taste test with me. I hope you like it and give it a try. You can omit the rice if you don't want. You just use the lettuce and wrap the meat and dip in fish sauce dip. It's already a meal by itself. And it makes so fast. You cook the rice 25 minutes, you cook the chicken 25 minutes, and you assemble. You have the soup cooked that same time, and you have the fish sauce dip ready made. Thank you for watching. Please come back to see me soon. Bye bye.